Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to reassign a teacher in openSIS. Why do we reassign a teacher? In openSIS, teacher reassignment is performed when an already assigned teacher is no longer available to continue handling a course. This may happen due to resignation, transfer, schedule modifications, workload adjustments, or other administrative requirements. Instead of recreating the course, the institution can simply reassign the existing course section to another teacher while maintaining the existing course schedules and student enrollments. From the side navigation menu, navigate to the Scheduling module. Under Scheduling, click on Reassign Teacher. This will open the reassignment window where we can select the currently assigned teacher or course that needs to be reassigned. For this demonstration, let us proceed using the Current Teacher option. Enter the name of the staff member whose courses need to be reassigned. For example, let us select Amy Sherman. Click on the staff name displayed below. Here, we can view all the scheduled courses currently assigned to the selected teacher. Next, click on Select New Teacher. Now enter the name of the teacher to whom the courses should be reassigned. Select the required staff member and click on Check Availability. The system will verify whether the selected teacher has any scheduling conflicts for the assigned course timings. If the message displays, "No conflicts have been detected," we can proceed with the reassignment process. After the reassignment is completed successfully, navigate to the Courses module and open Course Manager. Here, we can verify that the newly assigned teacher's name has been updated successfully for the selected course section. This completes the process of reassigning a teacher in openSIS.